So the cylinders are ready to go. Mike's got the pistons in his hands. He's got the rings on. Now the end gap has been checked, pre-checked prior to this assembly. And he's putting the pistons onto the connecting rods. Now Mike, is there a positioning that you have to be concerned about on those rings?
Yes, absolutely.
When you put
so the oil control ring can't be, you never line up the ring end gaps, ever.
Okay.
So I like to put, when you stagger the top and rear and bottom second compression ring, I put the second one towards the intake and the top one away from it. Just a habit I've gotten into. That way they're equidistant. They can't be stacked up. They jiggle around when it runs, that's true.
Yeah.
But over the years you develop the methods of your madness. So.
But if you start out that way, they're not liable to end up straight.
Exactly right.
Together.
Exactly right.
Over the long run, it'd be almost impossible for them to end up straight and stay there.
Oh, right.
So I got it. Makes sense.
So.
Go ahead.
So now, as each piston goes on, one wristband clip is pre-installed in the piston. Now we immediately put the second wristband clip in place so that we don't forget, don't get distracted, keep on going. It's clean, wipe off, and installed.
Pre-assembly lubrication. Test fitting the rings and cylinders.
The other thing is
Looking nice. So we've got new bolts for the heads to go on. They'll be getting unboxed here pretty soon. And we just had to go get some copper gasket sealer for these cylinder head gaskets. Mike's outside spraying them right now with copper gasket sealer. I'll be going on momentarily. Got the new seals in the rocker boxes. Looks so pretty. Rear cylinders going on. I can hear it thumping already.
All right.
All right, so we've decided we're going to go with the copper because that's 10 thousandths of compression.
May not seem like a lot, but every bit of compression we could get, we're going to go with.
Yeah, I don't know if we'll feel it at the throttle, but it looks cool going together.
That's right.
And they're not going to burn out being copper, okay?
No, not at all. They
Can't
will
burn
not
out.
compress.
No way. They'll compress nicely with brand new heads going on there.
Now we're going to treat them to a liquid.
Yes, treat them with the copper coat.
Yep.
And then continue the assembly. So we got to go find the rocker boxes. So we got everything laid out here. Got the new heads here. Got some new copper gaskets for the top of the cylinders. Everything's nice. All new bolts. All new bolts. Oil pump is installed. Nose cone is installed. There, looks good. Now, just for torques and giggles. We're torquing some bolts. Boy, she's looking pretty, folks. She's looking freaking beautiful. Ooh-wee.